So I put a poll or a whatever on Instagram and Facebook because I've had so many people asking me how I make my little fan bun thing. And you guys said you wanted to have a tutorial. It's kind of hard to explain in person, so a tutorial would be easier. I haven't even brushed my hair today yet. It's like 7 a.m. and I'm getting ready for work today. So I'm just gonna brush my hair out and make sure your part is where you want it. So whenever you put your hair up, that's where it'll be. Yeah, my hair is a mess. I'm on day 4 here. So the last 3 days, I have been wearing my hair down and straight like this. So I'm going to start by teasing my hair. My part ends back here, but I want to bring it up a little bit because I want my bun to be right here. So I don't want my part to go all the way back. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to take a little section. And I'm going to take that section and I'm going to tease it. And then I'm going to take another very small section behind it because the bun will sit right behind that. So you don't want it to go too far back. And tease that and then flip those 2 pieces over and you have teased hair. And then I'm going to do the sides. Same thing, you don't want to go too far down because you're going to be putting it up. So just some small thin pieces. Then I'm just brushing it out so that it's smooth. And then onto the other side. Same thing. I have more hair on this side because my part is more on this side. So I have more to tease over here. Okay. So, same thing. Brush it so it's smooth. None of the tease shows, hopefully. Okay. Okay, once I get to this point, it's pretty much smoothed out. I'm going to take hairspray and I am going to pull my hair back like I want it to look whenever I'm going to put it up, because I want to, if I spray my hair down like this, then my hair is going to be stuck like this. So when I pull it up, it'll want to stay down. So I'm going to pull it back just a little bit and then spray it. I love this hairspray, by the way. Kenra is the best. Same thing on the other side. Spray it like crazy. I'm going to take a little elastic hair tie. These little guys. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna take my hair, just the hair that I teased, and it does not matter if the part is good or not on this part. It does not matter at all. Again, put the hair where you want it to be after you put it up and pull out the pieces that you want down. I like hair around my face, so I pull down a lot. You can use your brush. Okay. So same thing again. I'm going to spray it again. It makes it easier to work with when you do that. Okay, now that this is here, you're gonna take your little hair tie and you want your bun to be like right here. So you're gonna have to put the hair tie over the tease in the back. So you wanna bring it up. And again, my hair is a mess. And I'm just looping it around twice. And then I'm gonna pull it so it's higher where I want my bun to be. Yes, it's a mess. That's okay. Brush it out. Okay. So now I have the top to my bun. Like, this is what I want my hair to look like from the top. I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and just tease so I can have volume, because you don't want volume just on top and it looks weird. Okay, from here, I take all the hair that's down and brush it up to my bun. Pull out all the pieces that you pulled out earlier. And any more from the bottom. By the way, I'm not doing this with a mirror. I am doing this with my phone camera, so it's a little harder. Okay. So I brushed all my hair up. I'm going to take another little elastic and put it right on top of where the other one was. Loop it once, and one more time. Make your little bun and fan it out how you want it to look. Then I'm gonna take some of these pieces and pull just so it blends with the top portion, because you can't tell that I already had this portion up in a hair tie. So if you pull these pieces out and blend it together, no one will know that you have two hair ties in your hair. And that's it. I'm gonna put another little elastic around my hair just to be safe. These break sometimes, and I'm just gonna put it around once around the bun. That's it. Then you can curl these pieces down here, keep them straight, whatever. I'm gonna tease it a little bit. That's how I do my buns. It's fun if you can put like a scrunchie over it. I don't want to wear like a scrunchie to my job, but I like scrunchies, and if it were the weekend, I would be wearing a scrunchie around it. Spray it like crazy. You can also take these little end pieces and wrap it around. Whatever you want to do. You can play with your bun after this point. So that's all.